some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to leave her I don't know why you're the one.
Hi guys, how are you? I got this synthetic wig. It's an original Latisha. But then I wanted to buy Latisha wig, and every time I wanted to buy something came up. Kuna zile za Du Bois. I'm not saying they're bad, but I'm just happy that I didn't go for those ones. They normally go for like 4,000. I've never used them. I don't know someone who has used them, so I don't have a right to say they are good or they're not good. But I got myself an original Latisha from Sensational. Guys, you can ship from Alibaba. Is it Alibaba or Amazon? I don't know, but I didn't have time for all that, so I got from a TikTok shop. She's called Sensational Muse, and I like her packaging. Napenda sura najituma. Guys, please go and patronize her. And it came with wig cap. The wig was 11,000, and then delivery was 300, so total I paid 11,400. So let's unbox it together, and then I'm going to try it on. So guys, from my own understanding, if it doesn't come in this purple box written Sensational or whatever, it's not an original one. So this is an OG. So let's try it on. Look at that. See? Which lace are you talking about? See that? And then it's deep all the way, you know. I don't know much about wigs. I don't know what to say about this one, but it goes all the way. Okay, the paper is making it appear, but it's like that. So I've just removed it from the
Turn me out of my mind. We don't need no other body. We don't need no other body. Only you fit on my body. Yeah. We don't need no other body. Send me the mess up your mind, and I made it free up your mind. Get your body talk to me nice. Send my love, you the need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lied. Yeah, we did together, yeah, day and night. Can't even leave, I go by. I'm stroking your body.
guys, I'm afraid of messing up this wig. I've cut a lace before, but I don't know if I'm confident enough to do it. Okay.
Baby, won't you stay? Oh, baby, won't you stay? Stay. Oh, baby, won't you stay? I guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand. But I still need love, baby, understand.
Guys, I'm so afraid of messing up this lace as I cut it, so I'm just going to cut it off camera. Nataka nisimame kwa kioo vizuri with all the cuteness I've ever done something with. Ndio nikate, and then I'll come and show you. Okay, but I guess it may melt. I don't think there was even the need for melting the lace anyway, but anyway, I did it because I'm extra. So let me go and cut it, then I come and show you.
Why am I so emotional? No, it's not a good look, need some self-control. Deep down I know this never works, but you can lay with
I think this is not the actual center part. I think I need to do somewhere else. Yeah, I think I need to do somewhere else. But so far so good.